Remember, it's never too late to take the plunge and start making money online. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these 5 methods offer a wealth of opportunities to turn your skills and passions into a profitable online venture. We started off by exploring freelancing, a flexible and dynamic way to showcase your talents and get paid for your work. We then moved on to e-commerce, an exciting avenue for turning your passion into profit by selling products online. Our third method, online courses, allows you to share your knowledge and expertise with the world, earning passive income along the way. We also delved into affiliate marketing, a lucrative strategy for earning commissions by promoting brands and their products. Lastly, we covered the creation and selling of digital products, a fantastic way to monetize your unique skills and knowledge. Now it's your turn to take these strategies, apply them, and start watching your bank account grow. Remember, the journey to online success starts with a single step. So what are you waiting for? Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep hustling.